Okay guys, so let me show you guys another paper airplane can be folded in 1 minute. This is the traditional arrow. Okay, so check it out. To make sure that the plane will fly, you need to fold the end of the wings up to create the stabilizers, but in 1 minute you may not have enough time to do that, so I cheat a little bit here. Anyway, check it out. Wow, it's flying very well. Again, if it's crashed out, very easy solution. Make a small elevators at the end of the wings and then thread again lightly. Do not thread hard, okay? This traditional plane is not designed for long distance again. Here we go. Now it flies very well, right? Okay, so this is the traditional arrow, one of the best paper airplane that you can fold in 1 minute. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Then start from this upper edge first to the center crease, or the other crease. Now start from this edge forward to the other crease. Now let's start from this edge first forward down to create the first wing. Flip the paper over, repeat the same fold. Start from this upper edge to forward to the other edge. Now start from this edge forward to this edge as well. And then repeat the same fold. Match this edge to the other edge to create the second wing. Press down the paper. Hold it up, and now you have a new paper airplane. Let's curl the end of the wings up so make sure the planes will fly. We are done with this paper airplane, guys.